How's it going? Well, with all the talk of medical preparedness and everything else, I figured I might as well go for my bag. The video I originally put up on this bag has disappeared for whatever reason. I don't think it violated any rules, but you never know in this day and age. So, we're going to go over this. Little bits and pieces at a time. And let's just go. So let's start off with what's in these first pouches. We have, some iodide Q-tips. They have iodine in them, you can crack them and get iodine. So what else I got? I got a piece of paper. There goes Kitty. And a roll of gauze. And some Tiger Balm. Yep, still on the camera. Good. This side I have some non-stick pads. Yeah, it's kind of a haphazard mess at the moment. A small pair of latex gloves. I think those are latex. Are they latex? Latex-free powdered gloves. Some more pads. And that's it for that one. We're going to save the big bag part for last. Go to this side. Have another roll of gauze. An oxygen meter. Red tape. One pair of squeezers. Those are, and if you were in the live stream the other day on Will's live stream, he was talking about needing scissors. And once I showed him, this is a pair of those scissors. Really nice. We have some anti-diarrheal, a couple tongue depressors for makeshift finger splints, triangle bandage, a seatbelt cutter, and it's also got a small sawed tool there. Surgical instrumental kit. Inside the kit is, probably not going to show up very well, so I'll try and zoom in to get it opened up here. But it's got all kinds of wipes. It has one silk braided black sterile suture kit. It has 2 scalpel blades, as well as an assortment of other tools to go with it. That one kind of came out. Anywho, put in an assortment of tools. Do I know? No, I don't. This is just in case. Oh, that's why that one came out. So it doesn't discuss it there. There we go. One moment. And it also has a molly attachment so it can be hung on the side of a kit or something if need be. So what else in here? The rest of the tongue, oh, not quite. The rest of the tongue depressors. Another pair of scissors. And fingernail clippers, assortment of ink pens and Sharpies. Have a stick. A pen light. Pair of metal tweezers, a whistle, just because a compass, and a little dental mirror. That's all in that pocket. And to save time and energy, I'm not going to go through what each piece does. I'll save your. On the outside of the bag is a flashlight. That way you can use it to kind of look inside pockets if need be. On this side, I have, let's see, that's one emergency blanket. I have a cheap poncho. A couple packages of hot hands. That's actually supposed to be over here, but a pair of hemostats. Good stuff. See, I told you it was a mess. I have some Bactrim ointment. chapstick, another emergency blanket. Let's see. Benzoin 10 swab stick. Oh, I said that a little fast, didn't I? It's a swab stick with benzoin tincture in the picture. Where'd you get that cut? Let's see, another triangular bandage. And another one. And another one. That takes care of the side pockets in the front. Now, the big pocket's going to be a lot more in it. And like I said, I'm not going to go over what each piece does. You know, if you don't know, look it up. That's the easiest way. Otherwise, this video is going to be 2 hours long. Anyway, and there's a lot in here. Stethoscope. Another thing of tape. Nice wide tape. More Q-tips. Okay. Abdominal pad. 1, 2, 3 abdominal pads. A roll of gauze. Another abdominal pad. A large pad. A spare mask with replaceable filters on the inside. Another mask. Fluff roll gauze. Another thing of tape. Hydrogen peroxide. I'm running out of room. Some rubbing alcohol, 70%. Calamine spray. Hand sanitizer. And you can see I use this. Okay, we got liquid bandage. Carmex. This is regular migraine formula headache medicine. Some super glue. Iodine. Another roll of tape. Some more Bactrin. Another roll of fluff gauze. Some baby wipes. On this side little pouch right here, I have Pepto-Bismol pills, tablets. I have gauzes and bandages, and there's not enough room on the table for it all. Just understand that this is nothing but band-aids or bandages, gauzes, and assorted stuff. There is some over here. Celox powder, as well as some lens wipes. That's right there. Okay, on this side, I have 1, 2 rolls of bandage gauze, an ace bandage, another ace, some more tape, a little bit of extra gauze, part of a blood pressure kit, the other part of a blood pressure kit, a tourniquet, another ace bandage, another roll of gauze, another ace bandage, regular finger splint. Ouch. This goes. This. Instructions for the heart rate, BP machine, just in case somebody needs them. And this is merthyl. Another thing of tape. Yes, I have a lot of tape. Just in case I gotta tape somebody's mouth closed. You know what I mean? Alcohol prep pads. Some afterburn gel. And let's see what we got. A CPR shield. A mirror. And a light. And a thermometer. That's all in this bag. This is my, if I'm traveling in a vehicle, it goes with me. It sits next to me most of the time, or when I'm on live stream, it'll sit behind me. It's always near me, and I always, everything has a purpose. Do I have everything I would like? No, I don't. There's many more things. In one of my other first aid kits, which I'm not going to get up right now to get it, I do have some chest seals. That is in a different bag that's for bad times. There's a lot of drug activity here, and I do have enough to take care of 5 gunshot wounds. That kit is specifically set up for that, and I usually don't pick it open because the pack it's in is chock full and it's a pain in the butt to get it all back in, and well, getting all this back in here is going to be a pain too. But, you know, as you see, this is virtually everything you would want in a kit, with the exception of some, you know, gunshot wound taken care of stuff. I do plan on adding more to this. I want to get a couple more sutures and needle and thread stuff, for those who don't know. But it's virtually everything you need. And gee, I don't know what else to say. If you have questions, leave them down in the comments below. And get with me. We'll chat. Other than that, that's it for this one. We'll catch y'all later. Peace.